Hi everyone, welcome to Career Guide by Shailu. In this session, I am going to explain you about how to install Python in your system or else in your laptop. So, before that, I will say some kind of steps. Please follow these instructions to install Python. Now, let's go to our Google. In that, enter www.python.org. So, what we have to enter www.python.org and click enter. So, in this you can see different kind of options like get started, download, docs, jobs, etc. and latest news. So, in this click on download. So, here I am doing all this in my mobile. So in order to show for you people, I am doing this in my mobile, and if you wanted to install this in your laptop, so whereas here I am enabling desktop site so that you can see different kind of options, the same options in a different way, that is get started, download, docs, job, and click on this download. So click on these downloads and then you can see different versions of Python which we want to download. I am specifically downloading 3.7.0. So here you can see the versions of Python, that is Python 3.8.5, which is the recently updated one, and many kind of versions, that is 3.7.8, and now I am going to download 3.7.0. So let's search where it is actually. So here we can see Python 3.7.0 June 27, 2018. So click on this download option. Then next, here after clicking on that download option, go to the files. So here you can see the version, operating system, description, file size, everything. So in this I am downloading Windows 64 executable installer. Click on the 64 executable installer. Already I have downloaded this. Once again, in order to show for you people, I am downloading it once again. Then here you can go after the installing of Python. This is how we can install Python. So here you can see the size of this file and it's still in downloading process. So after downloading, you can open the file by double clicking. This is how to install Python.